Hello, this is Sharif Abu Zaid from Abu Zaid Media, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use MailPoet plugin to send newsletters to your email subscribers. MailPoet is a strong and a good plugin if you are just starting out your email marketing activities, because it enables you to add forms inside your WordPress website plus sending them newsletters. So we're going to go through just quickly for the features, then we will install and set up the plugin to see how many features, or I will show you how you can use it. For the features, let me just go through it very quickly inside mailpoet.com. Now with this plugin you can communicate, you can send WordPress newsletters, send your email subscribers the latest notifications about your blog posts, and also welcome them. Plus you will have many options for the templates. Also MailPoet comes with pop-ups and lead generation forms that you can install just right away inside your WordPress website. Plus if you are using WooCommerce, which here where MailPoet stands out, if you are using WooCommerce to sell your products, maybe you are using MailPoet to sell t-shirts or sending e-commerce online courses using platforms such as LearnDash or TutorialMS. Also MailPoet can be a very powerful email marketing platform. Plus, and this is the most important part for myself when using MailPoet, MailPoet comes with their own sending service or sending servers where you can use them to send all of your emails, because you can't send emails, or it's not recommended that you use the pure WordPress environment to send your emails, because they may fall in spam. But MailPoet enables you, even if you are using the free plan, to use their sending service, which increases the ability or increases the open rates of your emails, because they usually go to the inbox and not go to the spam folder. So now for the pricing, I mean the plugin comes with a free starter plan. If you have like 1,000 subscribers, you can send 5,000 emails per month, and this is fair enough if you are just starting out, based on my experience. Of course, if you want to upgrade, and I mean if you like, if your business or if your email list increases to be like 2,500, you pay $30 per month. But for this video, I'm going to go deeply inside the free version and show you all its powerful features. So let's start by installing the plugin and go through the settings of what should happen after installing the plugin. So let's get started right now. Of course, you know the drill. If you want to install a new plugin, you just go to plugins and click add new, and let's search for MailPoet. And this is the plugin. As you can see, it has been installed more than 600,000 websites inside WordPress, and it has more than 1,245 5-star reviews, which tells you how powerful and useful this plugin is. So let's click install now and then activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you can begin the setup. So let's click begin setup now. And here, let's add our name and email address. Okay, and let's continue. And here you can choose if you want to, confirm you will be enabling if you want to enable MailPoet to use your data, and if you just want to disable enable or use the Google fonts. So I'll just say yes and click continue. And now, if you have an account with MailPoet, it is better that you connect your account even if you are having a free account. So I will just click connect MailPoet and I will sign into my account, free account. As you can see, now I have a free account. So now my account has been connected. I just go back and I will click, I'll set up my own email service, and yes, I confirm the sending service. I will set it up later on. So now let me go through the basic settings of MailPoet first, then we will start using it actually inside our WordPress website. So let's start with the basics. Here you need to add your default sender. Every email that you are sending, you need to choose which name and email will be attached to this email sender. I will choose, if it is recommended that you add here an email connected to your domain. Of course, if you are using, let's say that Abu Zaid Media, it's better that your email will be sharif@abuzaidmedia. But make sure that you authorize this email, because MailPoet doesn't allow you to send emails from fake emails, so they need to authorize your emails. You can authorize any email by simply going to your email account and you go to my authorized emails, and you just add your email here, and click send an email to this address to authorize it. Then you will have a link inside this email, and just click it and the email will be activated. So this is, you need to add your default sender here and the name and email address. I think this is the most important part inside this basic settings tab. So now for the sign up confirmation, now there is two types of email sign up confirmation: double opt-in or single opt-in. Double opt-in means that if someone signs up to your email as an email subscriber, they need to confirm their email address first before they start to receive any other emails from your website. This is called the double opt-in confirmation. If you are using just a single opt-in confirmation, which means that once someone signs up to your email list, they will start receiving your emails. Of course, this is relevant to some GDPR laws inside Europe specifically, so you need to check if you like to use enable sign up confirmation, which is a double opt-in or not, but for my case I would just say no. Okay, and then I click save settings, and here with the MailPoet sending service, you need to choose whether you want to use MailPoet sending service to send all of your website emails like newsletters, order confirmation for WooCommerce products, or another email service. If you want to use the MailPoet sending service, which is recommended in this case, you need to have an account. As you have seen, I already have an account. If you have an account, you need to go through a certain step to be approved to use MailPoet sending service. And to start using it, once you click on a free up to 1,000 subscribers, you will be directed to this survey that you need to add, because MailPoet always tries to keep its reputation good, so they need to make sure that you are a real person and you are not spamming people. So you need to go through this survey and you submit to it, and plus they may be asking you to add some like text codes or codes to your website, something like this. If you can see it on the screen, you simply send this to your hosting account or to your hosting company, and you can simply add it to your email, to your account, hosting account. So after setting up this, this is the MailPoet sending service. For the advanced here, I just like to keep all these options by default, and if you are using the premium option, you need to add your activation key here, which we will be doing at a later stage of this video. So now everything is set up. Let's go and start using the form, or start using MailPoet plugin itself. My recommendation is that you start by setting up your lists. Lists are ways where you organize all of your subscribers. Let's go to lists here. As I mentioned, lists are a way that is used to organize and categorize your email subscribers. For example, if you are giving people free stuff, maybe you are giving them a free PDF and a free course. You need to differentiate who bought or who has subscribed to the free ebook, and maybe you create another list for the people who subscribe to the free course. So this is how you subscribe or categorize or organize your WordPress users or email list subscribers. By default, MailPoet will create two lists. One of the lists is the WordPress users. If you are enabling people to register in your WordPress website, maybe you are selling an online course, they will be automatically registered as WordPress users, so they will be added automatically to this list. And if you want to send, if you are giving people something for free, maybe a PDF or a checklist or even a free course, as I mentioned, maybe you need to add them to two different types of lists. So for the sake of simplicity, usually I organize my email subscribers to two lists. One of them is called leads, which is the people who signed up for free stuff but haven't purchased any products from me, and customers list is for the people who has already purchased something from me. For this video, I will just create a one list and I will call it leads, and I will just click save, and now we have our leads list. Now the next step will be to create an opt-in form or a pop-up. Let me show you how you can easily create forms using MailPoet. You can easily do this by going to forms and click create new form, and let's choose one of these. Let's choose this one, restaurant discount, and click select. MailPoet is giving you a video tour of the form editor. This happens every time you open a form. I will just skip it for now. And this is the form. Let's say that this is a form for an ebook, and let's say this is the ebook title. And let's change this. And of course, you can change this image here by going to replace and find a good ebook cover letter for your form. I don't want to go through all the nitty-gritty details of the form, but simply this is the form. If you like to add something, if you like to add like a name, you just click the plus button, and here you'll find the first name, and you just add it here. If you like to make any changes, maybe add this first name to change to be like add. Okay, sorry, you add it here, add your first name. And if you like to add it to within, above, or within the box here, make this mandatory. And of course you can make some style changes, but I just like to keep it like this, and that's it. Now the form is ready. Let's click save. So this is a good error. That's why I asked you to first create a list before you can create a form, or before creating a form, because you can't create a form without attaching it to a list. So if someone's complete this form, which list they will be added to? So here under the form settings, we were in the block settings. To style it under the form settings, we need to maybe change the name of the form. Let's say the ebook download form. And for the list, let's choose the list of leads. And once someone signs up to this list, to this form, and you want to show them a message, or if you want to go to or to redirect them to another page. Usually it is recommended that you redirect them to another page. You can simply choose or create a page and call it like thank you page, and you just take it from here. For this video, I'll just show a message, and the style here you can make some other style. Maybe you need to change the background to be something like this, and this is good. And there is another option called padding, form padding. Maybe you just need to make it like 50. Oh, this is a lot. Or let's reset to make it like 20. This looks nice. And that's it. Now the next step after creating the form and after styling the form, now we have added a name for the form, we have attached the form to a list now, and we have added some style settings. Now we need to go to the form placement. Where do you want to add this list? By default, at least you need to attach this list to the bottom of all of your website posts. So to do this, here let's go through the options first. If you like to use it as a pop-up, so now this will be a pop-up that will appear across all of your website pages, or at least in some posts. Let's go with this pop-up setting. So this will be the pop-up. I would like to use this as a pop-up. So it will the form width will be like 600 pixels. I like to display it. If you like to display this across all of your website pages, you just click here. If you like to show this across all of your website posts or products, you just click here. If you like to use it in specific pages, you choose the pages from here. But for the sake of this video, I'll just use display across all of the website pages. Now, when you want to display it after like 15 seconds or maybe like 2 seconds or 3 seconds, so this is in page upload. Once someone opens the website, the pop-up will appear. Now I like to make it exit intent and click save. So if exit intent means if someone just opened the website and they will need to go out, the pop-up will appear. Now this pop-up is ready now. Let's view the website and see if this pop-up will work. So let's view the website, and here it is. As you can see, the pop-up has appeared. Let me add a name and email address and see what shall happen. So let's add this and let's click get the book. So now we have the message. Let's close this and let's go back to MailPoet and go to MailPoet and to subscribers and see if the name has been added. As you can see, the name has been added here, and let's go to the lists and let's click view subscribers, and here we have this list has a new subscriber. So this is how you can use the forms and pop-ups. Of course, you can go and play with it, but at least you need to have one sort of pop-ups, or at least you add a form to the bottom of your WordPress, your blog posts. So now we have created a list, we have added a pop-up, so people now can sign up to our website. So let's send them some emails, because if someone signs up, now you are asking them to sign up for your ebook. Of course, you need to send them the ebook via an email. Let me show you how you can do this. You can do this by simply going to emails, and here you will be asked to choose which type of emails do you want to use. Let's just close this notification right now. If you want to send them a newsletter, so something like a weekly newsletter, or if you want to send them something like a welcome email. Let's suppose this is a welcome email to send them our ebook, and click setup, and let's see which list you want to send this email to. I will say to the leads list after someone signs up to my ebook, and I want to send this immediately because they need to receive the email immediately. And here you have a plenty of templates that you can choose. I usually like to go with the simple text. Here I will just maybe use this one and click select. This is the email editor of MailPoet. Here let's change the subject to something that makes sense. This can be, here is your ebook, because I'm sending them the ebook. And for the preview text, something like you can add a line or even 5 words to entice people or to encourage people to open this. So let's say you don't want to miss this, and maybe add like 3 or 5 dots here. Now this is the email editor. The email editor is very easy to be used. If you like to add text, you just drag and drop the text item here, and here you can add your text. Let me change and let me add some text here, and you can even style it like do an enter. And if you like to make a list, maybe like you add some items here and select them all and change to be a list. And you can just do whatever you want here. If you like to add a link in this text, you can just highlight it and click here, and you just add the link, and let's click save. If you like to add a link to your ebook, maybe you want to use the button link. Here, this is the link. You can add the link here for the button, and of course you can move it to be here and change this and say access the ebook now, and maybe let's make this center, and let's click save and next. And this is just a preview of this email, what shall happen with this email. We have already want to say when someone joins the list is leads, and you want to send it immediately, and click activate. And let's go to the welcome emails again, and this is our email here. So if someone joins this list, they will automatically receive this list. Okay. So let me show you how you can send email newsletters using MailPoet. You can do this by going to the tab of newsletters, or typically you can just click create a new email and choose, of course, newsletter. Let's create a newsletter, a newsletter. And again, you will be asked to choose which template. If you have used something before, you will be maybe you will have the option to choose it again. And again, you can just click in newsletters and change. Let's use another template here. Let's go with this one. I like to go with simplicity. I don't like to complicate things. So this is another newsletter. You just click, make the changes. Again, you can add a text, or even this is important. Maybe you need to add a posts part. The posts plugin or the posts widget is amazing, because here you can add a few of your posts. Maybe you need to send them a newsletter saying that maybe this is a monthly newsletter, saying to them this is the latest posts we have, or I have written inside my WordPress website. I will just click insert, and let's go here and click next. And here you can send it right now, or you can use the schedule it option now. If you use the schedule option now, you can say that, okay, I like to send this emails in like 4 days at 8 AM, and click schedule. Now, after 4 days, in the 31st of May, your email subscribers will receive this email. So again, let's click schedule again. And now if you go to emails, you'll find this is the email that we have scheduled. Of course, you can review it, or this is the email we have already prepared. Maybe I forgot to add a subject, so let's just click edit again. And let's change this subject to something like mail newsletter. And let's click next. And here we need to make sure that this is the date again, and make sure guys you add a list, because I forgot to add this. Now you need to add a list, and you need to know which list of your email subscribers should receive this email. So again, I will click just schedule. And now, as you can see, this is the email mail newsletter, and also the status is it is scheduled to be sent in 31st of May and to be sent to the leads. Then if someone after the email is sent, you will have some statistics here, how much has clicked inside the link and how many people have opened the email. So this is how you can basically set up the plugin and activate it and create lists, add forms, and send your newsletters. So these are all inside the free options of the MailPoet free plugin. There is one last step in the free option, which is the automations. If you go to the automations, here you can you can add an automation like a series of steps, but this has some sort of a limitation inside MailPoet. And also you can see this is still in the beta copy here. If you can just start with a free template, or you can choose welcome email subscribers. Let me just open it. And here, if someone's subscribers to which list, again you can use the leads list. You can wait 1 minute or 1 day. If you like to wait for like 2 days, you just click here and you click 2 days and send them the email. Maybe this is the email you want to send to them. But the limitation here is that you can't add more than 2 steps, the delay and send an email. If you like to add another step, you will be asked to buy the pro version. So if you like to send like if you like to add more steps to this automation, you need to buy the MailPoet premium starter plan. Maybe something, let's go to the pricing again. Maybe you need to start with the $10 per month plan, because it has like unlimited emails per month and you can send up to 500 subscribers. So this is the only limitation, or I think this is the main limitation you have with the plugin, plus the number of email subscribers. So this is how easily you can use MailPoet to set up lists, add forms, and add subscribers, and send them welcome emails. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you find it helpful, please like the video, because it helps me spread the word, and also subscribe to the channel, because I create similar videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.